Hello to fellow conscious beings. So today's pep talk on conflicts of conscious beings is at any given point of time in our lives, we all must have been in a situation where we have to set a target. Right? It's obvious. So 95% of targets were achievable before we start them, and most of those 95% of targets of would end in failure. It's quite obvious. So what we miss in that scenario, in that case, is we are not finding the optimal way of setting target. Okay, so today's my experience in setting that optimal target in order to keep me in the race of planning or setting up another target on another day is there are two things that we all must know before we set any kind of target, whichever domain you are in. Like my domain is this, so I'm talking with respect to cycling. So first thing we should know before setting up target is how extreme you can go. What is your how uh, what is the best you can give, or not best, let's say, the uh, how extreme you can push yourself, how hard you can push yourself. Maybe that's the right thing to say. How hard you can push yourself. Like on this, I know how hard I can push myself, like as hard as 250 kilometers in a single day. That's my extreme. So I know what my extreme is. And second thing that I should, or you should all know before setting any target is what is you tomorrow, or what is you after that, achieving the target. What you might have to do, there might be some requirements, right? There might be some things that you must do on the next day, or the next week, or the next month, or the next year per se. So what is that? So first we should have clarity on these two things to find that optimal ratio, or optimal way to set a target. Like, let me put this in a simple term. It's like it's a ratio between how much you can actually do, or and how much you're supposed to do. That's it. If we can find that ratio of setting an optimal target is not difficult. I know I can push today to another 60-80 kilometers. I know that, and I also know what happened after that. If I push myself for another 80 today, whatever I have to do tomorrow, I might fail, or I might postpone to another day, which is basically dropping another target of mine, which is parallelly going along with this, right? So keep that thing in mind. Like your regular routines are also some kind of targets, right? So when you have these things parallelly going on, finding optimal is easy when you know two things. One is how hard you can push yourself, what is your extreme limit, the maximum threshold of any given task. And suppose if you push yourself so hard to achieve that on that particular thing or day, will it affect the other ongoing target process? So if we can figure it out, these two, optimal solution or optimal setting up optimal target is very easy. Okay, so that's what I've realized today on my wonder wheels. Okay, see you on another road with another topic. I mean, this is basically not a road, it's I'm just off road, quite nice. So I thought it's the right place to record my stuff. See you then. Happy targeting.